2012 Kia Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy, feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM/CD, MP3 radio, security system, power windows, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.